Ardiansyah. I'm from Manajemen A2. I will discuss one disease that is of great concern in the world of global health, namely the Ebola virus. Ebola is an infectious disease caused by the Ebola virus, a member of the Filoviridae family, which has a very high mortality rate in humans and other primates. The disease was first detected in 1976 in Sudan and Democratic Republic of the Congo, near the Ebola River, which gives the virus its name. This disease can spread very quickly through direct contact with blood, body fluids, or body tissues of infected individuals, both human and animal. The characteristic of this disease, namely Ebola, causes very serious symptoms and develop rapidly. Initial symptoms that appear within 2 to 21 days after exposure to the virus include 1. Very high fever, more than 38 degrees. Number 2, muscle pain and headache. 3, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. 4, extreme fatigue, abdominal pain. Symptoms of bleeding, such as bleeding in the skin mucosa and internal organs, bloody stools, vomiting blood, or bleeding from the nose and gums. Loss of organ function, especially the kidneys and liver, and severe cases, this virus can damage vital organs such as the liver, kidneys, and blood vessels, causing severe bleeding and organ failure. The spread of the Ebola virus can spread through direct contact with 1. Infected body fluids such as blood, saliva, urine of the body fluids from an infected person, direct contact with infected animal such as bats and primates, monkeys, gorillas, which are known to be main reservoir of the virus. 2. Virus cannot spread through the air, but direct contact or through body fluids remains the main route of transmission. Ebola control can be done through several critical approaches. 1. Isolating people with rival disease. 2. Protection for health workers, such as using personal protective equipment. 3. Counseling the public to use personal protective equipment and avoid direct contact with the sick. 4. Administering to available vaccine. Development of Ebola case in the world. Some of the major Ebola outbreak recorded include 1. 2014 to 2016 outbreak in Africa. This was the largest Ebola outbreak in history, which hit Liberia, Sierra Leone, Guinea, and several other countries. More than 28,000 people were infected and around 11,000 died. This outbreak introduced vaccination as the main strategy to control the spread. 2. Outbreak in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. The Democratic Republic of the Congo has experienced several Ebola outbreaks, including one in 2018-2020 in North Kivu province. This case illustrates the enormous challenge of dealing with Ebola in a conflict-ridden area with limited medical infrastructure. Correct treatment and care. There is no specific treatment for Ebola, but there are several therapeutic approaches taken to support infected parents. 1. Supportive therapy treatment based on medical support, such as intravenous fluids, electrolysis, and blood transfusions in needed to treat direction and bleeding. 2. Experimental drugs such as remdesivir and some monoclonal therapies such as Imazet and Embaga have been approved as therapies for Ebola variants in several outbreaks. The Ebola responses face many challenges such as 1. Limited medical access. Many areas affected by the Ebola outbreak have limited access to medical facilities and effective treatment. 2. Many and stigma. The public is often trapped in many and misunderstandings about the spread of the virus, which can hinder efforts to control of outbreak. 3. Conflict and public instability in areas expanding conflict, such as the Democratic Republic of the Congo, make it difficult to eradicate and control Ebola. Surat status and case have the last data on the Ebola outbreak can change rapidly, depending on the location and development of situation. For the last information of data from organizations such as WHO or the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention are the most valid success. Ebola remains at global health threat exponential in countries with less development health system and in conflict areas. Although vaccination and medical care have to progress, prevention and control remain major challenge. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you guys. Dadah.